Hey guys, so I just picked up some used wheels for the one daily driver. These are some BBS LM replicas. They need a little bit of shine, but I think it will look okay when fit. The tires are super bad, but I got some other tires with them. I managed to fit 4 19-inch wheels on tires and 4 more 19-inch tires in the back of the car. Barely fit. Quite a puzzle, but here it is.
Atomic particles traveling near the speed of light do decay more slowly than stationary particles. As strange and counterintuitive as it seems, time dilation is a law of nature. Traveling close to the speed of light is a kind of elixir of life. Because time slows down close to the speed of light, special relativity provides us with a means of going to the stars.
So as you can see, the clear is a little bit damaged. It's in some places starting to flake, but it's really matte and dirty. Then I tried this mac and polish, and with some elbow grease it's getting a little bit better. So here's the result of a can of this Make and Mac polish. Much better, but not perfect. Now they're waxed and ready. Hey guys, good morning. I'm at work with my car. Saturday. The reason why I'm here is when I was putting on the 19-inch, I saw that the spring is broken and almost falling, and the 19-inch was hitting here. So I put the 16-inch wheel back on, and I haven't driven it while I was waiting for our springs. Springs from low suspension in the UK. These are supposed to be 30 millimeter lower than stock. So let's put it in and see what it looks like. Brand new.